Clem, just kind of hold it right there and then you can land. Just pull the power back a little bit. Don't hit that school bus, though. Oh, Lord have mercy. He shot his tire off. Oh, man, just fell off. Yeah, your grandpa just shot the tire off. Don't worry about it. He's got a wheel problem now. He does have a wheel problem now. Hey, Clem, I got an idea at your game. You boys are from Alabama. You can put anything on top of a pickup truck, right? I'm not so certain about that. Well, what if we had your grandpa drive out onto the runway with the pickup truck and then you just land on top of your boost rack? What? I'm sorry, the pig rack. That's a pig rack you've got on top of that for picking up roadkill. What if you just land on top of that thing? Listen to this. Are you hollering for help? He is. Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa. Listen, why don't you just try and get that? I'm gonna land this thing. I'm gonna try one more time. He's gonna try and land, Daniel, but I don't like the looks of this. Grandpa's got the gun. This just isn't looking right. I'm afraid your grandpa's got other ideas. We'll see, though. Don't trust Grandpa once he's getting riled up. He's looking pretty riled up. Now, look, you've got the hang of this. Just pull the power back. Pull the power back, and it's going to settle on in like a big man on a pile of crawfish. Right there. Pull it back. You got it, Clem. Oh, no. Oh, no. Grandpa shot it again. Now, look. I think he got me. I think you're right. Now look here. Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa, can you put the truck out there on the road? It ain't running too good. We got it, Grandpa. Now look, he heard me. He's gonna get in the pickup truck and come get you, okay? It ain't running. I don't think it's gonna run long. Well, we're getting out there right now. Grandpa is running out to the runway now, and we're gonna do our best here. Let's just see what happens. Here we go. Now look, good thing I speak Southernese here, Dano. Watch this. I'm going to translate for him. Yeah, if you can do that, though. I'm going to translate. He's fully in the I think I'm using a little bit of oil. I'm going to speak your language, Clem, okay? Can you hear me? All right now, Clem, what I need you to do here is pull that thing old thingamajigger on your left-hand side back and drop it right down between the coon and the possum tail that are right out there on the runway with Grandpa. Now, one thing you got to do is hold down that there lever on your left, okay? Pardon me, someone's speaking some sense. That's what I thought. All right, we got a Moon Pie and an RC Cola waiting for you when you get this thing on top of the truck, okay? Oh, that's going to be easy. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, that'll get him on the ground. That'll get him down here. Oh, Lord have mercy. Here he goes. You know, this is going to be just like that scene in the Dukes of Hazzard. Clem, you're going to be a world hero in just a few seconds, okay? You mean I'm going to be a Duke? You are going to be famous beyond words here in just a few minutes. Here we go. All right, folks. Let's watch this act of desperation here from the right. Dano, what do you think? Let's see. I don't. This is not a good solution. I'm telling you, this just goes from bad to worse all the time. But I think he's going to get it, though. I think he's going to get it. Now you just sound like you're having fun, Clem. That's having fun. Yeah. Where's Bennett? Is Bennett here? Yeah, Bennett's here. Where is Bennett? Bennett, where is he? I don't know where he is. Like this? Well, not really, but what we need you to do now, Clem, is just turn it back around, and Grandpa's down on the other side. Do you see where he went? He went the other way? Yeah, he went the other way. Turn around. Go back towards the mountains. Okay. There you go. Now you do it. You are turning into an ace aviator right now, Clem. Bennett, you're from Georgia. Yes, I am. Yeah, can you tell him something? Tell him to quit doing the looping. Speak Southernese. You sound like you speak Southernese. Clem, come on now, slow down just a little bit. Don't do nothing dumb. You won't do nothing dumb. I want you to have all your teeth here, or at least two of them when you land. You only got four, so bring it back around here to the left, will you? I can't find the truck. Get down there. Hey, Clem, pull your hat back up.
My mama said I wasn't born with no high IQ.
Okay, well, whatever the IQ you've got, let's put it to good use. Make a left-hand turn right there. There you go. Oh, my goodness. Boss, this, you didn't say we were going to have to do something like this, but let's see if we can get it down here. You still hear that engine? I will for the rest of my life. I'm telling you. You should have seen the way that guy was looking at me. Grinning.
Go.
Like he had
Go.
honest intentions. Okay, here we go. Now, Clint, just hold what you got, okay? Grandpa's going to come right up underneath you.
Come on, bud.
Let's see. He's way down there on the left, folks. Don't worry, we got an ambulance and everything standing by should we need it. Oh,